everyone. From a standard deck of 52 cards, 2 cards are selected. And then we're going to answer these questions here. So, if you haven't played cards or you don't play cards, here is the standard deck of playing cards. So we want 2 black cards, selection without replacement. So when we draw the first black card, we have a total, half the cards are black. So that's going to be 26 out of 52. Now we don't replace it, so drawing the second one's going to be 25 out of 51. Okay, now what I'm going to do is go ahead and write this as 1/2 times 25 times 51. So this is going to be 25 times, or divided by 102. So that would be your final answer for that one. Now we're going to do the same thing with replacement. So with replacement, we have 26 divided by 52 times 26 divided by 52, because you put the card back in. So the options are the same. These are called independent events. And basically that means 1/2 times 1/2, which equals 1/4. A lot easier to get that choice. You have a 1/4 chance of getting 2 black cards. Now we want 1 red card and 1 spade in any order. So that means we can get red, spade, or we can get spade, red. All right, in any order without replacement. So 1 red card, that means 26 out of 52. We don't put it back in. And spades. So you look at the spades, there's only 13. Each of these suits, these are called suits, have 13 in each of the suits. So to get a spade, that's going to be 13 out of 51. All right, and when you do that, you can get 1/2 times 13 divided by 51, which equals 13 divided by 102. Now, that's if we did red first, then spade. What if we did spade first? So that would be 13 out of 52. And then the red cards, so we only have 51 cards because we're not replacing it. We have 26. And what happens is you basically get the same answer you can't reduce these very well, but you get the same answer, 13 divided by 102. So basically when you have something like that, you have 2 cards, it's a permutation of 2 factorial, which is just 2. So all you have to do is just say 2 times 13 divided by 102. All right, so this is going to be 13, and I'm just going to take 2 goes into that 51 times. So that would be your final answer if we can do it in any order. Now, for the same thing, basically, in the exact order without replacement. So they're both without replacement. So we kind of already did that one. If it has to be in that order, that's just 26 divided by 52 times the spade is 13 out of 51 without replacement. So that's just 1/2 times 13 divided by 51, which equals 13 divided by 102. All right. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.